This business specializes in oil field related components and their repair. They have a full-service manufacturing facility. Not only do they repair their clients' current tooling needs, but they can also manufacture new components and downhole tools to OEM specifications or your specific requirements. This fine business understands that accuracy matters and offers a 100% guarantee of quality and workmanship. They have the quality and know-how to get the job done on time and get it done right. They have a state-of-the-art machine shop using some of the most accurate and efficient equipment that money can buy. This profitable machine shop has been around since 1963, manufacturing new tool joints and repairing oil field tool joints. There is a proposed Grand Parkway being built in the area, which will be great for easy access. This outstanding business keeps a large selection of material on hand for those with emergencies that just can't wait. Want to know more about this fantastic business offering? Contact us today.